Welcome to this tutorial video. In this course, we will guide you step by step on how to use Material Brush to change the model material. Let's try it together. Enter the Design tool. Select Advanced tool, Kitchen and Bath or Closet or Doors and Windows. Then select the toolkit, Material Brush, from the top toolbar. First, place the material brush on the target model to pick up the material style. Next, find the model part that needs to have its material replaced. Click the left mouse button and the material will be applied with one click. Here is something to note. In the Design tool, common material styles can be brushed together, such as custom furniture, custom cabinets, custom doors and windows, soft decoration, and other accessories. Hardware decoration is not supported at the moment. That's all. Thanks for watching.